Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find random live videos on Instagram. It's pretty simple, but for that, first you need to go yourself live, alright? But don't worry, you can just go live for 1 second, alright? So this trick is basically, you need to click on the plus button at the bottom and choose over here where it says live. Once you're inside, live. Just go live for 1 or 2 seconds. Doesn't matter, alright? So once you do that, basically, you're gonna go live. Now I'm live. Now going to share this live with one of my friend by clicking on this arrow button at the bottom right, and I'm going to share it with my friend and click on send. Once I send him a live link, what I can do is close this live, which means end it. Double click and cross at the top right. Click and end now. And basically what I have done is I have ended my life. So I have a click on discard video discard. Now my life has ended. Now what I can do is click on the message icon at the top right to see the live video, which I just sent my friend. So I'm going to click on my friend, and this is the friend to whom I send my life. Now you can see my life has ended. But right below the live, you can see this option called watch more. So we're going to click on watch more, and it's going to show us a random live videos. As you guys can see, these are all the random live videos. I can click on, see all at the top, right? And it's going to show you all the random live videos over here. So hope you understand how you guys can find random live videos on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.